Hi, this is Allison Waken, and I am here at Scrapbook.com to go through the Easy Album Baby Girl Kit. So I love this album kit because it comes with everything you need to make an album. You may have chosen your color pink, but there is also gold, black, and red, whichever one you chose. Maybe it was your favorite color. The albums are great because they come with a spine that you can quickly write on and label so that when they're all on your shelf, you can grab the right one. And the kit comes with page protectors, and it comes with 3 different styles so that you can mix it up and have fun with the layouts. There's 4x6 horizontal page protectors, there's 4x6 vertical page protectors, and there is a mixed page protector which has little slots for 3x4 cards, which work with the patterned 3x4 cards that come with your kit. There's also lined cards that are perfect for writing notes or journaling or having your kids write on them, or maybe just a date, and those are all double-sided as well. The 3x4 pattern cards come with 12 double-sided cards, and they have these super cute patterns on each side. And all of the colors coordinate together with the kit, with the albums, and should coordinate really well with all of your photos, no matter what you are adding into your album. Maybe it's just for a daughter or cousin or granddaughter. Maybe you're doing a baby girl album who was just born, or for a baby shower. There's a lot of really great things that you can make with this album kit. Some of the cards come with journaling spots to make it quick and easy to write some journaling if you want to use those. And the 4x6 album cards, the pack comes with 24 double-sided cards. So again, on really thick, great paper, there are titles and phrases and patterns, all different colors that coordinate really well together with the other 4x6 cards, with the 3x4 cards. And they make it really great so that you can use both sides of the card when you put them in the page protector. Okay, now let's see how easy it is to create an entire album. When you open your album, it has 3 rings that you can just pop open, insert your page protectors, and close. And the page protectors are in 3 different sizes. So here's a page we already put together. Super simple with photos and the pattern cards. And here is a page protector that's empty and ready to go. So what we're going to do to fill in the album is simply grab our photos, and these are all 4x6 sized photos, and you're going to place the photos in the page protector. On these page protectors, the opening is on the front side. So the top, obviously, you'll be able to access from both sides. So we're just going to slip in a photo, and then you can slip in a card or another photo there. And then the 3x4 size slots are the perfect size for the 3x4 pattern cards or the journaling cards. So we're just going to insert these cards in here. And what's great about these is that you can write on the journaling spots or use the blank note cards as well. So you can add birthdays or little notes, or follow along with the card and what it's working on. So then we're going to add photos and finish filling in the empty slots with cards from the Easy Album Kit. I think I'm going to use a 4x6 card here. And that's it. So simple. You place the cards in the openings on the page protector and you're done. So when we turn this page over, you're going to notice that you can see all of those patterns that are on the other side of the cards from the Easy Album Kit. So all that we really need to do on this page is insert 2 photos, but you can also add some more photos on top of the cards, or insert a different card if you wanted a different pattern there. So here I'm just going to add 2 quick and easy photos, and the top of the page protector is open. But down here, since this is the back side, I need to insert this photo on the front side of the page protector. So there's no opening on this side, so we're just going to turn the page over and I'm going to insert the photo that way. That's it. Super easy, simple, and that page is already done. Again, you can add photos over those if you wanted more photos in that page, or just leave it as is. So here's some more pages we have done in this album, and I am going to add a few more here. So quick and so easy. I love how simple the process is for putting together an entire album filled with photos and memories. Go through these great cards, and they all coordinate so well. You can see we have some different colors in these photos here, and all of the cards coordinate really great with them and with each other. So that's it. That spread is completely done. Turn it over and work on the other side. The note cards work really well to add in memories. You can write on them with gifts. If you're doing a baby shower album, there's all kinds of things you can do. And that's it. It's so simple and quick and easy. I love that the kit even comes with a pen so that you can write those memories down on those cards, and you have everything you need. You just add your photos. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.